Hello everyone, my name is Andres. I'm a computer engineering student here at Cal Poly, and today I'm going to show you how to make Play-Doh. Okay, so for the Play-Doh, things you're going to need are a saucepan, half a cup of salt, a cup of flour, 1 cup of water, a tablespoon of vegetable oil or canola oil, food coloring, and cream of tartar as well. Okay, so first we're going to take most of the ingredients and we're just going to kind of mix it all together. So first the salt, then we have the cream of tartar, and I'm going to add some food coloring. I chose blue. Really doesn't matter how many you add. Then I'm going to add the water. Then I'm going to add the oil. And then I'm just going to mix it. And then it's not going to mix entirely, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take it to the stove and I'm going to heat it up. Okay, so now that it's been heated up, we are going to now add in the flour. And then just mix it up until it thickens. And then we're going to let it cool a little bit longer, and then knead it some more. We'll be done, good to go. So now I'm just going to take that final product, pour it onto my table. And now I'm going to knead it. The little white spots that I have are just like flower patches, and so the longer you do it, the more they go away. And there you have it, some Play-Doh.